I wanted to say happy 420 to everybody out there in YouTube land, all my subscribers. If you enjoy a little puff pass, or just puff, if you're greedy and you just puff and don't pass, that's fine too. But I don't partake. But hey, to each his own. Happy 420, and hey, get your buzz on. All right, everybody, peace. PITME. Talk to you later. And I'm so upset because I used up my Tim Hortons gift card from Heather, and I have coffee. I have that whole thing of coffee from Shauna, and I was cleaning the back of the van, and I got 2 gas cans, you know, propane. I could have made my own coffee. I forgot. Kind of upset, but I guess that's the way it goes. So, I guess I will. Ooh, I'm frozen. My fingers are absolutely frozen. Wow, amazing, that little bit of time. Literally froze my fingers to pieces. So, okay, I'm gonna warm up. I'm already, the sun's it's warm in the van. I'm gonna warm up, and I'll see you in a little while. I gotta drink this coffee. So I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay. Well, another day, and it is only 41 degrees in Michigan. That is a big difference compared to, well, shoot, it was double that degrees just a week ago, and it's been pretty warm. Yesterday it got up to, it said it was 64, but it felt cool because it was a little bit of rain and wind. But it's got that damp feeling in the air. But yeah, it's only 41, so no air conditioning today. I'm actually going to turn the heat on right now as I'm talking about it, just to knock the chill out. And then I got up really early. I went to sleep at I think I went to bed about, well, I actually laid down around 9, and it wasn't too much after that I went to sleep. So I got 8 hours sleep. It's 8.5 hours. It's 5:30 right now, and I feel pretty good. I feel wide awake. I'm gonna go and use my card. have sent me. I don't have my tablet. I'm gonna give some shout outs later. I like to do that. I like to thank new subscribers and of course people that have been sending me things. I really like to thank them personally, you know, give them a shout out, because I really do appreciate it. I can't believe I'm up this early. Yesterday I slept till noon. Absolutely never. I don't think I've slept till noon in I don't know how many years. But it was just so warm, and then it got too warm. When the sun came up, well, not came up, but when the sun came out, and it was so bright, and it got too warm. I couldn't sleep. I had to get up. But today, that's 2 days in a row that I really knocked out some sleep, which I needed. That's probably why I feel so good. So, yeah, not much to talk about since the last 8 hours because I was sleeping. Don't know much. I don't know what's going on in the world. Don't know. I heard that yesterday I was watching the YouTube channel, and they were talking about Russia bombing Israel, or maybe it was Iraq or Russia bombing Israel, and then one of them was going to stick up, and they were wondering if United States was going to stand up to Russia, but that would be a disaster because you'd have a nuclear war for sure. It'd be mass. It'd be devastation if that happens. So hopefully. Hopefully everybody can settle down and you know, if they have to go to war, have a ground war, or a cyber war or something other than a nuclear war, because that's if that happens, there ain't going to be no more YouTube. I tell you that. There ain't going to be a lot of stuff. You'll be lucky to. Probably 2/3 of the population will be gone if that happens, of the United States population, and the Russian population, because shoot, we probably have 1,000 missiles pointed towards Russia. They probably have the same amount pointed towards us, and that would not be good. And I'm sure neither sides want that, but you never know. You just never know. There's a beautiful Chevy in front of me. Got these big fat tires on it. It's a Chevy Z71. It looks like the old style Blazer, like the big Blazer. It might be just a pickup with a cap on it, but it looks really nice. It's burgundy, my favorite color. I love burgundy. I always tease Ange that I'm gonna steal her her hoodie. She wears this burgundy hoodie. It says something on it. I don't even know what it says on it, but I like it because it's burgundy. But it wouldn't. I don't think it would fit me. I don't think a small would fit me. Although I lost so much weight with them broken bones, not working out. I lost so much weight. I went from wearing, you know, an extra large to a large. Like I put on, I got a T-shirt. When I when I watched the fights the other night, they were giving away T-shirts, and I just asked for a large. I said, yeah, give me a large. So she gives it to me, and I put it on yesterday. I wore it, and it fit. It wasn't. I thought it was going to be snug. Nope. I lost a lot of weight. I knew I did. I was gradually losing weight, you know, from, I think I got down at one point to like I like to be around 175, 170 even, but I think I'm probably around 178 right now. But shoot, I went from being my biggest and working out to absolute the worst. Lost all kind of muscle, but my arms in great shape. I was lifting again yesterday, and it felt good. So not too bad. Well, I'm in line. I want to grab a coffee. So I will talk to you all in a little while, and y'all have a great morning. Hope everything's going well, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. All right, everybody. Good morning. So I came to the park today. It's cold, so I'm shaking, but I don't know what those are. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, there's 6 of them. I'm not sure what you call those. Some kind of a crane or a heron. They're big. I think I had. Those are the birds I had in my video one time. I said that they looked had the body of a turkey, but they had the red on the head. I remember seeing those. I'm using the magnifier or whatever you call it. That you can bring it in closer, because these things are pretty far away. Beautiful birds though. They just walk like they're so it's it's getting cold. It's going down into the teens tonight. You know, probably around 20, somewhere around there. It's going to be really, really cold. Wow. Hear them? But yeah, but that way, if you go around the bend, this river goes all the way to that one. If you remember that video I did about a couple of weeks ago, that leads to that same. This is the same river, and Yeah, and people canoe through there, and it's pretty cool. Here, oh, you know what? They got a map. They got a map up on the. God, it's so pretty out here. And these birds, whatever they are, they're amazing. Oh my gosh, they're so big. These things are like 3 feet tall. Incredible. Love these birds. I don't know what they are, but I love them. Just amazing. Beautiful animals. Did you know? Did you know? Let's see. The Huron River flows through Milford on its way from Big Lake in Springfield, to all the way to Lake Erie. It's 100 river miles downstream. You can go 100 miles. This is a long river. And then 370 miles of streams flow into this river. Wow. Look at the map. Look at that map. Just amazing, the amount of water. You know, Michigan is you know, we have the most freshwater lakes in Michigan. Michigan is a Michigan is I think they say you're never more than 5 miles from a lake or a river. Oh, there's that. Oh, there's that bird right there. I don't know what it is, but let's see if they say. No, they don't say. See, you can get canoes. That's upstream. But yeah, you can get you can canoe for all 100 miles. Be a lot. Your arms would be tired. Nice park. Actually, beautiful park. The kids playscape over there is really nice. I bet they have a lot of fun there. These birds here are. I hope they don't attack me, because I can take on one of them, but I can't take on 6. These birds are way too big for me. I am literally, my hands are just frozen. Nice bridge. Beautiful bridge. Let me see if I can see any fish down here. Oh, I love fishing so much. There's some kind of a dam or some kind of a, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's right. There's a lake above there, and then the dam, and then the water flows. This isn't part of that river. This is a tributary. They call it, I think, tributary, or yeah, I think that's what it's called. But I'm looking in the water. Oh, I see fish. Yep, I see bluegill swimming down in there. You can't see it, but maybe you can. I better hold on to this phone so I don't. My hands are shaking so bad. Wow, there's a lot of fish down there. Oh my gosh, there was a ton of fish swimming. And then it goes under the bridge. Wow, there's so many fish. And that goes out to the Huron River. Beautiful truck. I don't care what anybody says. Somebody recently told me that my truck looks like a piece of you know what, that it's I like it. I don't see anything wrong with it. Hey, if they're not, if they don't like it, don't look at it. I'm happy with it. Other than all the repairs. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off and have my coffee. See y'all later. Hey, so I got a crazy goose. Don't worry, I ain't gonna take your. I don't want your eggs. Don't be messing with me. Don't be messing with me. I don't want your eggs. I don't want your eggs. Just stay away. You hear me? You hear me? Where's your eggs at? This goose is trying to her eggs so much. They're around here somewhere, but I don't know where. But somewhere in these bushes are eggs, I guarantee it. And she's protecting them.